Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking inputs, audience, format, and a measurable goal. This guides every AI choice. Once done, gather 3-5 reference assets and a short brand voice brief so outputs stay consistent. Next, pick one AI for ideation and one for content creation. Make sure they integrate or export cleanly. Start a simple project. Prompt for 10 topic ideas, pick 3. Then instruct the AI to expand each into a 100-200 word outline. This gets you moving quickly. Now convert outlines into full scripts, specifying tone, length, and a clear call to action. This helps the AI match your voice. Then produce assets. Request 16, 9 visuals, 48K HZ audio, and template-based layouts to speed assembly. Once assets are ready, iterate. Do 2 focused content edits and 1 pass for brand consistency. Ask the AI to highlight changes and rationale. Make sure to export editable files so you can tweak micro-copy, timing, or color without rebuilding everything. Final steps: optimize metadata and thumbnails for clicks, include timestamps and captions for accessibility. Once scheduled, tailor delivery formats per platform and pick peak posting times to maximize reach. After publishing, monitor CTR, watch time, and engagement. Use those metrics to feed back into your AI prompts for iterative improvement. If outputs drift or hallucinate, revert to smaller prompts, add concrete examples, and increase validation steps. This troubleshooting reduces errors and keeps quality consistent across iterations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.